All right, y'all, today we're in Waxahachie, Texas, back out in Waterfall Ranch, and we're going to be taking a look at this beautiful Elmwood home behind me here. This is their Blair floor plan. It's 2,705 square foot. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, a 3-car garage, all on 1 acre. It does have an office dedicated up front and a game room in the back. Nice split floor plan design. Got some beautiful features inside and out, so I'm excited to show it off to you. Let's go ahead and take a look at it right now. All right, y'all, so here we are on the inside of this beautiful Blair floor plan from Elmwood Homes. And as you can see, we've got a beautiful 8-foot entry door here. We've got frosted glass letting in that natural light. And then we've also got a transom window there letting in more light into this entryway. Right off the entryway, we've got a coat closet here. Good storage space there. And then flipping around right off the entryway, we've got an office here with 2 windows looking out to the front porch. Love that front porch area and that vaulted ceiling right there on the front porch. It's beautiful. Got these French doors here for the office. Nice private office right here, right off of the front. Kind of tucked away from the rest of the home. It's a little bit of a gloomy day here in March, and it does make the colors pop a whole lot more though versus the full sunshine. So here we are, right walking into the living room right here. We got a tray ceiling here in the living room, beautiful exposed wood beams there. 3 big windows looking out to the backyard and back porch. And then a really nice big fireplace right here. It's a wood burning fireplace with a gas assist starter. So this home does have a buried propane tank. Got your wiring for your TV all set up, power right there as well. This is definitely a showpiece fireplace right here. It's a big fireplace. Some people aren't fans of that, but I think it really looks really nice here on this Blair floor plan from Elmwood Homes. Still have a really nice big living room space here. And then as I pan around here, looking at the kitchen space, we've got these dark stained cabinets going all the way to the ceiling, and then we've got this beautiful glass cabinets up above that are already lit. Got this nice big island right here, plenty of space for seating. And we got a spot for full-size refrigerator. We've got the stacked oven and microwave combo. These are all LG appliances here. And on the other side of the island, we've got the dishwasher and a nice deep farmhouse sink, stainless steel. I really like the pairing of this, darker stained cabinet with this lighter quartz countertops. We got the light backsplash right there, subway tile backsplash. And we've got a 5-burner gas range here. And then the vent hood will be vented outside. It's not in quite yet, but it will be. We've got the dining space right here, right off the kitchen. 2 windows looking out to the backyard, and then the door right there with more natural light coming in off of the back porch there. Let's go ahead and flip around real quick and take a look at the pantry. Nice walk-in pantry right here, good size. And then we'll go ahead and take a look at the bedrooms 2 and 3 here up at the front of the house. So we've got bedrooms 2 and 3. This bedroom right here has got 2 windows looking out to the front yard. Got carpeting in all the bedrooms here. Otherwise it's LVP flooring throughout the house, or tile in the bathrooms. Good sized closet right here, going side to side. And then we've got this bedroom here with 1 window looking out to the front yard. All these do have the ceiling fans in. Sometimes not every builder will have that, so it's nice that that is taken care of here. And then we've got another closet right here, going side to side with hanging space there. And then these bedrooms will share this bathroom here. So you've got a single vanity here. You've got your toilet tucked in between there with a nice sized walk-in shower there. I really like the way they have this set up. Beautiful tiling work there. And then you've got a niche right there. Shower controls on this side, and then the shower head is over on this side. And then in the bathroom here, we do have more storage space. Linen closet right here with some good space in there for storage for this bathroom. That's always helpful. All right, moving back here, we've got the game room. Got double doors here to the game room. Game room has a tray ceiling as well. And it's got all the wiring ready to go. So if you wanted like a projector or something like that, you've got plugs up here, wiring coming out there, and then additional wiring already fed through, which is great. Got 2 windows looking out to the backyard. So really good sized game room. You could make this a 5th bedroom if you wanted to. Really, you don't have to have a dedicated closet. You could put, a closet solution type thing up in here, like a nice hutch or something, and just have it as a flexible space. Main thing is you have an egress point here with the windows to be able to get out in the event of any fire or other hazard. So here is the 4th true bedroom, and then we've got a window out to the side here. And then good sized closet here as well. Going side to side here with hanging space. So I guess either bathroom could be used for company. You've got this one here that's also right off the kitchen and living room area, just like that third bathroom. Got a single vanity. We've got the toilet there, and then a good tub shower combo here. So we've got a walk-in shower that pairs well with a tub shower combo. It's always nice to have that additional tub, even though the master does have one as well, but it's kind of nice to have that just in case, you know, you want to put the kids in a bath or whatever. All right, split floor plan design. So the master is over this way. Private in its on the back side of the home here, on the opposite side of all the other bedrooms. Once again with the tray ceiling, got 2 windows looking out to the back. So this is on 1 acre, and it does have a septic system. That will take care, it's like a mini sewer plant. It will take care of all of the wastewater. And then it does have to be serviced every so often. We got double doors here to the master bath. And check out this beautiful standalone tub right here. And then beautiful chandelier, double shower heads walking in there. And it's just beautiful, I love it. We've got vanity over here, and then we've got a vanity over there. Beautiful walk-in shower. You got controls on either side there, tiling all the way up to the ceiling. Got a spot right there, makeup counter. More storage and cabinetry right there. And we've got a door for the toilet room. I really like this darker tile, it's beautiful. And then coming in here to the walk-in shower, got a niche right there to be able to put soaps and shampoos and everything kind of tucked away. I mean, obviously you could store things all along here as well if you wanted to. When it's more, you know, the functional space and before you're trying to show things off for company or whatever. Talking real life. All right. And here we are with the master closet. Got hanging space here and all along this side and further down. And then we've got this built-in shelving here as well. So good space in the master closet. So this home is currently priced at $669,990. So it's been price reduced. It was up right around $700,000 up until recently. All right, so we've got the laundry room right here, right by the master closet. I'm sorry, master bedroom. This does not have a door into the master closet like some of them, which not everybody likes that anyway. So I've continued with the dark stained cabinetry right here with the darker tile look. Got good storage space in here. Nice space right here for a full-size washer and dryer. And then we'll go take a peek out at the 3-car garage here. So the 3-car garage, got attic access right there. Nice big 3-car garage. Got your breaker panels over here, your whole house water shut off right there. Got sprinkler system right here for the sodded portion of this full acre lot. Now the sod is not on the full acre, but the irrigation will cover, you know, the portion that's already sodded. Got 3 windows looking out to the front yard as well. So we got tankless hot water heaters in this home as well. And now we'll go ahead and take a look at the back porch. Now today, I'm not going to be stepping off the back porch just because it's a little bit muddy. I'll try to remember to get a drone shot from the back so y'all can see that. All right, here on the back porch, got this beautiful wood inlay ceiling. And you know, good size right here, back porch, good covering. All right, y'all, once again, we're in Waxahachie, Texas today, back out in the Waterfall Ranch community, taking a look at this beautiful Elmwood home here. This is their Blair floor plan. And I want to thank Rebecca for letting me come take a look at this and film it for you. This is, as you can see, a stunning home. Got lots of beautiful features to it. It's 2,705 square foot, 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, a 3-car garage. Got your dedicated office up front. Got a game room in the back that could flex to a 5th bedroom if possible. And it's all on 1 acre. Got that 3-car garage as well. And it's currently priced at $669,990. So it was closer to $700,000. I don't know if you caught that earlier in the video, and it's been price reduced here. So it is ready to go. Beautiful, beautiful features. Love the dark stained cabinets. And then the lighter countertops and backsplash. I think it pairs very, very well. So beautiful home here, definitely move-in ready and just waiting for you. So if this could potentially be a nice option for you and your family, definitely reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help answer any questions that you may have. And you know, I am a local DFW area realtor. I don't represent the builders that I showcase on here, but I can help represent you. So many of you have been reaching out and talking to me about your plans coming up here in 2026 and beyond. And I'm so excited to be meeting with so many of you about, you know, making those plans and moving forward. So I appreciate you all so much for watching each and every week. Thank you so much, and I will see you all next week. Y'all take care.